Using the color picker component and switch between solid, linear, and radial gradient colors. Hi everyone, I'm Alex from PixTeller, and today I'll show you how to use the color picker component and switch between solid, linear, and radial colors. The color picker is one of the most important assets of our editor. For this tutorial, I'll use a logo design made by one of my friends from Spain. Once I click the Use button, the logo will open in the PixTeller editor. In order to show you the color picker, I will change the background color of my friend's logo. You can choose from solid, linear, or radial color gradients. From the solid menu, you can adjust the background opacity in order to make it transparent. Also here, you can select any predefined solid color from our palette, or use the advanced mode and play with the sliders and the ball to choose any color you want. Back in the simple mode, you can input the hex or RGB values. For example, code FF0000 represents the color red. 00FF00 is green. You can find all possible values online by doing a quick search. Now, let me show you how to set a linear gradient color. Once I'm in the submenu, I can easily set the angle of the colors. I can change the color palette by clicking on the color and selecting a different one in the Edit Change menu. To add a new one, just click on the bottom line. I'll play a little so you understand better the functionality. As you can see, we now have a great background just from using gradient colors. You can quickly change any element color, similar to the design background color I just showed you, to improve your image. I'll now save it and click the download button to preview it. You can literally create an awesome design in seconds, as our motto says, by just changing the colors. Now go ahead and try it for yourselves. Until next time, I wish you a happy day. Goodbye. Design static or animated presentations, banners, social media posts, logos, or posters. Only on PixTeller.com.